for northwestern Riley County in northeastern Kansas, southeastern Washington County, northeastern Clay County, until 8:45 p.m. At 7:56 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Idana, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Clay Center and Green. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. The National Weather Service in Topeka